Hello guys, this is Reedy Springs here, and today we will be doing a tutorial. Today's tutorial is on how to build the cobblestone generator. I think most people already know this. This is the mob grinder. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to build with cobblestone. I prefer cobblestone. People can use sun bricks, but it actually works pretty well. You want to go 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 square, and then you're going to want to build up to 24 feet, like blocks high. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Alright. And I have hoppers in my inventory, and this will be shown once I get this part done. I think I might you can also take off the edges for various reasons, like you don't want to use all this cobblestone up. Like most people in regular survival worlds don't want to do this, so I'm gonna show you what it would look like. So it would be, that was a waste of time to build that then. So alright, I will destroy this right now. So it will look like this. So if you take off every single little corner, it would look like this. And then once I get this done, there will be a system of water flowing. And this is one of the most efficient ones I know of that's not hard to make and doesn't involve very much redstone, except for hopper, which you wouldn't really call redstone because it just kind of falls into it. And how mob spawners work is there's a water stream flowing from each of these 4 sides, and then it's like a pretty big dark room that gets filled up. And what happens is the mobs fall in there, and then when they drop down to here, they die. Or if you put like a little thing on there, you can make it into an XP grinder, which I do recommend if you're in a regular survival world and you have an enchantment table. Alright, from here, you build on each of these sides 8 out from the center of this. So it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now you want to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just keep doing this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys. And what's gonna, the dealio with this is these little things right here are where your water streams would be. Alright, so to make it more efficient, I learned this from a friend that you should definitely build up 2, so when they fall, they can't jump out of the water stream. You'll need around 10 to 12 stacks of cobblestone to build this whole thing. So be ready to have all of that ready, and have fun mining. So I'm not, since this is a how-to video, I'm probably not going to get it edited too much, but make sure you turn it on. I think I can have the highest quality on maybe 180p if you can. Once we're done making these little water stream things, I'll show you what this looks like so far from below. And so you can see what we're going on to and how this is gonna work out. Alright, so you go down here. So far that's what it looks like. Nothing much, but it'll be something soon. So, water, water. Always put it on both sides. Alright, so now you have a stream that leads into a hole. So why don't we spawn a pig? And then let's go down here. It'll die. So what, let's see, if I'm gonna turn it on normal so we can have the mob spawning. So let's go up here and fill up this. What all you have to do is go like this all the way across on each side, and that's basically the platform of the cobblestone part. But then you're gonna end up building this thing into like a room. And then after we do that, I'm gonna show you the hoppers. So this turns into a 10 by 10 square with these things like going down the middle. And then you don't ever mess this up with the 8 things like this. This is always a problem with a lot of people. They don't get that right. 8 is the farthest water will go. So that's what makes it most effective to do 8 for. And if you do any more, the hole in the center won't work right. And also, 24 blocks is the amount of blocks it takes for any mob to die, or yeah, pretty much just die. From this is really effective for skyblock, because if you want that bone meal, you want some rotten flesh when you're running low on food. You gotta have that food source instead of just making bread and melons all the time, because you don't have that unlimited supply of dirt like me when I donated to my skyblock.in server that I did a small skyblock series a while back to get us started on this channel. But I'm sorry guys about that video. Those 2 videos, I'm not taking them down. I need them for support. But yeah, the island got really big because me and my friend, I actually used my donator account on that, so then it turned into a huge island, and my friend actually kind of trolled me. So imagine a whole skyblock island. He just put a he filled it with iron pressure plates, and I'm still getting them off, so it'll be a while before I record again on that. But I know he was just joking around, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, from here you got this platform. Now we're gonna look below. This is what it looks like below once you're finished. You're gonna want to put torches on top of this so they don't spawn on top. But you can build layers and layers and layers on this. So you want to go 1, 2, 3. So you don't use too much cobblestone. Leave in the comments if you like the audio I have on this, and tell me if it's fine, because I'm pretty sure you don't want to hear all that dunk 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 dunk. And I kind of have the Minecraft music up at a standard bit. So I'm going to turn it on peaceful now until we finish the mob spawner so we can see how it works, because we don't want the mob spawning in as it turns to day. That would not be good if the mob spawned in right when we were building this thing. And guys, I'm actually most likely gonna get this video uploaded. By the time you see this, it'll have been uploaded around Like when I wake up in the morning, it'll probably be uploaded. Then I have to edit it with the intro and stuff in it, and then I do some enhancements to it, and then what happens? It's just it's actually not that long of a process once you finish editing. You just publish it, and then it's uploaded. I'll probably get Sony Vegas soon, so I can get so I don't have to pay an editor to do my editing. Most like my channel intros and my thumbnails, which will be coming up soon, that are actually going to be quite good. Oof. And guys, please help me get to 30 subscribers. That would be awesome. Just like spread the word to your friends, give them links, give me shout outs. I'm not begging for shout outs. I just would love some shout outs. My friend already gave me a small shout out, but I got all these 12 subscribers by myself. And thanks guys for the 12 subscribers, and hope this video adds an extra couple to my channel to help me grow. I just love it when you guys help me out with this, because some of you who are subscribed to me may know that I have another channel called Slime for Days. Please don't subscribe to it anymore. I have 42 subscribers on it, and I don't want to use it anymore because it's just the URLs and stuff. It's URL with YouTube. Google Plus is just being a pain in the butt. Alright, so when you go inside, it's just gonna be like a 2-foot tall room where mobs spawn in. And I really wish I was such a good editor I could make like crazy mobs exploding everywhere. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna grab a torch. So we can place some torches, and now we're gonna place some down below. Alright, here comes the hoppers. You just point them towards the chest. Like so. Point this towards the chest like so. And now for decorations, I like to add signs that just say mob loot. Oh my god. And you guys can decorate your signs are a pain. You can decorate this stuff however you want, like as a design, kind of like this. You can just I actually kind of like this design right here. So now your mob spawner look like that. Oh shit, it's raining. Alright, so difficulty, put it on normal. Oh, I forgot one thing. Don't forget, when you do this, put slabs so you can open these chests. I'm so stupid. I'm so sorry, guys. See? It drops down. And guys, that's gonna do it for me, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.